Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Xiaomi's Mi 11 Lite was a nice mid-ranger that came out this spring. But in light of the global chipset shortages, Xiaomi may be having trouble keeping up with demand. So now we have the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, or New Edition. Let's go over its key features and see what it's all about. For almost all intents and purposes, the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE is the same phone as the Mi 11 Lite 5G. If you have them in the same finish, they're pretty much impossible to tell apart. Just like the previous model, the NE is super light and easily wieldable, with the yin-yang style two-step camera bump being the most standout design accent. But the new model also offers new colors, including a matte snowflake white, so that freshens things up a little bit. The bigger change this time around is with the chipset. The Mi 11 Lite 5G ran on a 5nm Snapdragon 780G, manufactured by Samsung, while the new model has a Snapdragon 778G, built on a 6nm process and made by TSMC. Performance should be almost the same, except for a slight bump down in the GPU, camera ISP, and modem, but we don't expect any real-world differences. Both chipsets are excellent, even if not quite as powerful as the flagship 800 series. Heavy games should run great here, and you get 5G connectivity. It's possible that the change in chipset and even the need to release this model at all is because the 780G is hard for Xiaomi to get their hands on right now. The rest of the package is the same as the Mi 11 Lite 5G. You get a 6.55-inch AMOLED display with a 1080p resolution, a punch hole, and a fast 90Hz refresh rate. There are also stereo speakers for your audio, but there's no headphone jack. The Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE is powered by a 4250 mAh battery. There's support for 33-watt fast charging too. You get the latest Xiaomi interface here, but one thing we noted was that the NE wasn't promised the extended software support that Xiaomi is using to promote other releases like the 11T. And finally, there's a triple camera setup on the back, which includes a 64-megapixel quad Bayer main cam, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide cam, and a 5-megapixel telemacro camera. So there you have it guys, the Mi 11 Lite 5G was a good phone, but it's possible that it's going to be replaced on the market by this one, the NE version. It's kind of confusing though, especially with the name change from Mi to Xiaomi. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full review.